the mind behind TikTok's global success. In today's digital world, TikTok is more than just an app. It's a global phenomenon that has changed how we create and consume content. But who is the mind behind this revolution? Meet Zhang Yiming, the Chinese tech entrepreneur who founded ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok. Zhang Yiming was born on 1st April 1983 in Longyan, Fujian Province, China. Raised by civil servant parents, Zhang was a bright and curious child, fascinated by science and computers. He enrolled in Nankai University in Tianjin, entirely studying microelectronics, but later switched to software engineering, graduating in 2005. After graduating, Zhang worked at Exoin, a travel booking site, where he quickly became known for his coding skill and problem-solving ability. In 2008, when Axiom was acquired by Expedia, he left and briefly joined Microsoft, but he found the corporate environment too rigid. Zhang was drawn to fast-moving startups, so he started his own. His first venture was 19fang.com, a real estate search portal launched in 2009. In 2012, Zhang founded ByteDance with the vision to build a company powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. ByteDance's first big success was Tutio, a news aggregation app that delivered personalized content to users using AI. This app gained massive popularity in China, and it set the stage for something even bigger. In 2016, Zhang launched Douyin, a short video platform for the Chinese market. The following year, he introduced TikTok, the international version of Douyin. The secret sauce: TikTok's powerful algorithm that shows users exactly the kind of content they are likely to engage with regardless of who they follow. To accelerate global growth, ByteDance acquired Musical.ly in 2017, a lip-syncing app popular in the US and Europe, and merged it with TikTok. By 2020, TikTok had taken the world by storm, especially during the COVID-19 lockdowns. It was downloaded billions of times and became a cultural force, launching careers, trends, and memes. But success comes with scrutiny. Governments raised concerns about data privacy and Chinese ownership and national security. In 2020, India banned TikTok. In the US, former President Trump attempted to force ByteDance to sell TikTok's US operation. Despite these challenges, TikTok continues to grow. In May 2021, Zhang Yiming shocked the tech world by stepping down as ByteDance CEO, saying he preferred focusing on long-term strategy and innovation rather than day-to-day operations. He handed over leadership to Liang Rubo, his longtime friend and co-founder. Zhang Yiming is often described as astute, analytical, and deeply focused. He built one of the world's most valuable startups without flashy media appearance or public controversies. As of 2025, his net worth is estimated to be over $60 billion, and ByteDance is one of the most influential tech companies in the world. Through TikTok, he changed how people entertain, express, and connect across cultures and generations. Zhang Yiming did not just build an app, he built a movement, and his story is a reminder that powerful ideas, when paired with bold vision, can shape the future of our digital lives. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for something new channel.